what happens after a fatal accident? None of us like to think about fatal accidents. We hope we're never involved with one, don't ever want to see one, sure don't want to ever be involved in one. But there's some things that happen immediately after that that our viewers will find interesting, and I want to know about as well.
And what I'm about to talk about, Mike, it's not a rare circumstance.
Really?
I didn't go through all my cases to find this one situation. I see this quite a bit. And we usually discover this as we do work like Bob's doing this week in Orlando. But this is from an actual case that I had last year and took it to trial down in Hale County, and the jury awarded $5.5 million. And I think in large measure it was because of what I'm about to show. This is a situation where a man died in Tuscaloosa when a crane turned over and crushed him.
I remember the news story.
And anytime someone dies on the job like that, you'll have, and I think the public's seeing a picture of the crane right here, taken in Tuscaloosa where the fatality occurred, but you know OSHA's going to come.
Sure.
And kind of like when a police officer pulls you over, and I'm going to talk about this in just a second, when the police pulls you over and says, hey, I need to see your license, Mike, what they do to an employer is they say, hey, we need to see the certificate to show this piece of equipment meets the standards, that it's been inspected and that it's certified. And this was shown to the investigator, and it appeared by looking at it, Mike, that in fact the crane had been certified, had been inspected, it was safe for operation. But what was not known and only discovered through the type of work that we do, going around taking depositions, talking to witnesses, is that certificate was created in the hours after the fatality, and an agreement was made to backdate the document in such a way to make it appear as if it had occurred 6 months before the actual fatality occurred.
Besides being unethical, isn't that a crime?
Well, the investigator didn't even know it. They pulled it over on OSHA. I mean, OSHA walked away, gave them a small fine, believed their story, but we discovered that in fact was not true. And my point is, look, that happens a lot, and that's, again, one of those reasons why you need to get a lawyer involved very quickly.